How to fix something didn't go as planned error. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Open Notepad. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Now right-click on that file and click on Run as Administration. Type Y and press Enter. Now restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, right-click on Windows Update in the Services Manager and choose Stop. Delete all files and subfolders in the software distribution folder or relocate them to another location on your computer. Restart the Windows Update service by returning to the Services Manager, right-clicking on Windows Update, and selecting Start. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.